Hey, so Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. Today we wanted to talk to you about surface roughness. What we took was an aluminum coupon. We got a before surface roughness, which was 4.67. Then we blasted it in wet blast glass bead and saw how it rolls the surface. That made the surface a 2.34. Once we did it in the dry blast with glass bead, it also rolled the surface and looked very similar. So the surface roughness there was 2.49. What we want to do is show you that the surface profile depends on the pressure that you're blasting with and the abrasive. Because glass bead is round, it flows over the surface in wet blast and it not hits against the surface in dry blast, giving it very similar finishes as you can see. If you have any questions about your specific application, need surface roughness measurements, let us know, give us a call. My number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.